Hi, I Arti Kundaharkar welcome you all. On behalf of Maharshi Karvestri Shikshan Sanstha's Srimati Hiraben Nanavati Institute of Management and Research for Women, located at Karvenagar, Pune. To know more about, visit our website www.hnimr.org. Now, let's see how to apply MBA CET. Go to Google, type mahacet.org. You get this new page. Click on Welcome to State Common Entrance CET Cell. As per the schedule, the last date is 17 July 2021. However, subject to change as per the notification at respective authorities. Before applying, be ready with following: recent scan photos, scan signature, graduation mark sheet, only to fill marks, proof identity, Aadhaar card, credit debit card for making online fee payment. Now let's start to see how to fill online CET registration form. You see this web page. Click on MAH MBA MMS CET 2021. You get this new web page. Then click on New Registration. Before go to proceed, read instructions carefully. Then click on I accept and proceed. Now you will get this screen to filling your personal details. Fill all details as mentioned here. However, ensure and enter your name very carefully. This name should be exactly as it is on your graduation mark sheet. I repeat, enter your name very carefully. This name should be exactly as it is on your graduation mark sheet. Father's name, only first name of fathers, mother name, gender, again gender, marital status, date of birth, religion, region, annual income, it's not compulsory, mother tongue, nationality, address, state, district, taluka, village, pin code, mobile number and email ID. Now, when you enter your mobile number and email ID, ensure that it is correct because you get OTP on this number. So, this mobile number should be with you to check OTP. Also, all the notifications from MahaCET will be sent to this email ID. Therefore, ensure that it's your email ID and you check it regularly. Next part, important password. Before creating the password, read instructions carefully. Also, note down your password with you for future reference. You need this password every time. When you log in MahaCET portal, at the same time, keep it. Then click on Save and Proceed. If you complete your application form, you got application number on your email ID or mobile number. Enter your application number and password and then sign in. Here you see 9 steps. First step already complete. Now we go to second step. Domicile. Do you belong to state Maharashtra? Here you select Maharashtra or non-Maharashtrian. Second, are you person with disability? Select here. Then click on Save and Proceed. Graduation details. If graduation details, pass and appearing. If you are pass, then click on pass. If you are appearing, click on appearing. Select your course duration. Select branch BA, BCom, BE, etc. If you are pass, then enter your marks will be pop up. Enter your marks carefully. A percentage will be automatically calculated. Then click on save and proceed. New important part is CET examination center. Select state, select district. Your selection is very important as the exam center will be assigned based on your preferences. Then click on save and proceed. Photograph and signature. Upload here your photograph and signature. Please be aware your photograph and signature must be in a JPG and PNG format. Now enter your personal details, permanent address and correspondence address. Be careful with these details. You fill in a correct information. This information must be correct. Check it twice because once the form is submitted, this information cannot be changed. Then click on submit. You will get next window. Here you see your center, your photo and signature. You check it and then click on proceed and payment. If you are sure with your document and detail, then click on yes. Here you make your payment and click on proceed to payment. After applying for CET, it is important to prepare for CET. We at HNIMR have arranged an online MBA CET workshop from 19 July to 23rd July 2021 from 2 to 2 p.m. daily. It consists of expert faculty with hands-on exercise. To register for the workshop, visit our website www.hnimr.org. You can also get the details in description this YouTube video. You may share with your friend and relative. See you. Thank you.